do right now is you're going to open up to your crime scene notebook, you're opening up to a brand new page, and you're writing Strawberry DNA Lab on the top of the page.
The course is forensic science, and each unit that we've done in forensic science is a way to gather forensic evidence. And so we've looked at blood analysis, we've looked at fingerprinting, hair analysis, and right now we're looking at DNA analysis. This activity was how we would extract DNA, and tomorrow we're going to look at then when you have the DNA extracted, how you analyze it.
So you want to kind of use your fingers to make sure there aren't any big pieces?
I think that you first need to recognize that it's a student-centered classroom. And so most of the activities that we do are hands-on because students learn best when they're using their hands and they're talking with one another. The goal of today was for them to understand that DNA is a molecule that's inside of a cell and that it can be extracted.
Yeah, all of our traits, our hair color, our skin color, how tall.
We went over what DNA is and its basic characteristics for the last 2 days so that then they would understand where the DNA was, why it was that we had to mush up the cells, and so forth. The design of it was to start with what did they know? They already knew what DNA was and they already knew where it was found. And then we did a background, which was just about what the word extraction means, because it's a word they don't hear very often, to just kind of get them familiar with it and to access their prior knowledge. And then from there, the actual lab is done in groups. So I like that students work only in groups for part of the class. When they get to a point where they're stuck, they then have someone right near them to ask, that's a peer first, and then they can ask me. But I think it's also really important to make them feel comfortable and then confident enough to then do the conclusion on their own. This class helps students to learn perseverance because the course is designed as a one crime scene that they investigate throughout the full course. And so each week they're looking at a different aspect of the crime and persevering to try to figure it out, even though it's a long problem.